morning, everybody. This is lot 55. There we go. This beautiful foggy morning. This is the secondary power we're putting in up here on the mountain. Go back here. Down there they're working on the lot. Isn't this gorgeous? We are on the back second half of the mountain development. Oh yeah. It's just a beautiful morning. Look at the sun. A little bit of fog. It was foggier this morning. Isn't this cool? Just thought I'd give you a quick little update of this beautiful mountain setting. We cannot wait. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that country lane? Everybody, hey, I've had a great time open house meeting everybody. Everybody coming over looking at their lots, mostly Buffalo Creek. We do have an open house coming this Saturday and next Saturday. So the two next Saturdays we have an open house. Love to have you. Come on. You can see Ace. He runs around here. Hey buddy, what you got? What is that? Who is it? And you know what's been really good is talking to everybody. And you know, this is why I'm doing this video, is because people have really encouraged me and said, you know, Randy, we just want to hear more about what's going on, how you're doing, and just, you know, they follow us. And it was really a compliment that people want to see what we're doing every day. So if I could tie a camera to my head all day, I'd surely, look, there's my shadow. And I'd show you what I'm doing. Right now I'm walking up Ace up the mountain. I've been in the warehouse all the morning. Not all morning, probably 45 minutes talking to guys. I'm walking Ace up here. He's got to get outside. I'll be back down checking on the mountain. But man, walking up here is just so, look at that. Isn't it beautiful? It is refreshing, and it just renews me. And this is why I love doing what I do. All right, remember the next 2 Saturdays, come see me. Come to the mountain. And we'll walk around these roads. We'll talk about where we're going to put your house. I'll talk about time frames, what's been taking so long, what do we expect to get done and when, and any questions you have. All right.